From the day you vision your goal to the day you complete it, you need to have a clear end in mind. It is just like when you travel, you know your start and destination point, and the rest is taken care by a GPS or maybe with the help of signboards or people on the road. Similarly, you need to have a clear picture of what it is you want to achieve. Make your goal into a roadmap, just like a GPS with small milestones. Have a clear end in the mind. Once you have your tasks ready, it's easier to break them into small actionable items to do each day. List the 3 most important things to do to complete the first subtask in your list for tomorrow. This list and exercise above will be your checkpoint for every day to remind you what you need to do and how much it is that needs to be done.